Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Tesla Model S. This four-door sedan has engine with rear-wheel drive and a one-speed direct-drive transmission. This Tesla has less than 104,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 97 miles per gallon in the city and 100 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.